Welcome to Fixit Dubai. In today's video, we're diving into the world of stone wall designs to elevate your living room in 2024. From sleek modern styles to rustic charm, we've gathered over 60 inspiring ideas to transform your space into a true masterpiece. Let's get started and turn your living room into a stylish haven. We hope these 60-plus stone wall design ideas have inspired you to transform your living room into a stunning space for 2024. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fixit Dubai for more home design tips and ideas. Let us know in the comments which stone wall design was your favorite. For more details and services, visit our website at fixitdubai.ae. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.